In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect Pepperstone to CTrader. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to pepperstone.com and log into your account. From here, you'll need to go over to the trading accounts over here in the menu and go over to either live accounts or demo accounts. This will work with both ways. So from here, you'll need to go over to the specific account. And from here, you'll need to click Add a Trading Account because you want an account that has CTrader. From here, it should bring something like this. And here you can see you can choose your preferred trading platform. And here you'll need to choose CTrader if it pops up. If it doesn't, don't worry. It's probably because you already have chosen it in the past. You can only make one CTrader account per user. From here, you'll need to select the account type, the nickname, and the USD or the currency, and then click Submit. Once you've done that, it should bring something like this. And here you can either download CTrader onto your personal PC, or you can launch the web trader. If you click Launch Web Trader, you will automatically be sent into CTrader. I totally understand that this is Metatrader 5, but this will work the exact same way. From here, you'll need to log in with your login credentials, and you'll find that over here. As you can see, login right here. Just copy it and paste it inside of the login credentials, and your password will be the same password that you use to create your Pepperstone account. Then from here, you'll simply need to click Connect to Account, and now you have successfully connected to CTrader. And again, I know this is Metatrader 5, but will work with CTrader. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please send them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!